Imagine waking up one night, and the moon is gone. No silver glow in the sky, no tides pulling the oceans, no guardian of Earth. But don't panic. What if the moon disappeared for just 24 hours? What would happen to our planet? And to us? The moon isn't just a pretty nightlight. It plays a huge role in Earth's balance, tides, and even life itself. So, let's dive into the shocking chain reaction if our moon went missing for a single day. The first thing we'd notice, the tides. The moon's gravity pulls Earth's oceans, creating high and low tides. Without it, only the sun would control them, making tides weaker and irregular. Coastal ecosystems that rely on predictable tides, like crabs, turtles, and fish, would be thrown into chaos, all in just one day. Next, darkness. The moon reflects sunlight and brightens our nights. Without it, nights would be nearly 200 times darker. Imagine walking outside, only stars and artificial lights to guide you. For ancient humans, this would have meant predators lurking in total darkness. The moon also stabilizes Earth's tilt. Without it, our planet would wobble more. In just 24 hours, you wouldn't notice much, but if the moon stayed gone longer, Earth's seasons could swing wildly, from freezing winters to scorching summers. Animals would be confused too. Many creatures use moonlight to navigate, like sea turtles hatching on beaches or birds migrating at night. Without the moon, their natural compass would vanish, leading to massive disorientation. For humans, city life would go on, but astronomers would lose their closest cosmic neighbor for the night. And countless stargazers would look up, wondering if our moon had abandoned us forever. Moon reappears dramatically in the sky. Luckily, after 24 hours, the moon would return. Tides would stabilize and animals would readjust. But this thought experiment shows just how important our silent companion is. Without the moon, Earth wouldn't be the same. So, would you survive a day without the moon? Or would you miss its glow too much? Let me know in the comments.